Do you want to know?
Hey guys, we're down to week 4, which is multiplying decimals by whole numbers. So, pinasimple lang ni Ma'am yung topic dyan. Pero dito sa ating module, it is the same as multiplication of decimals up to 2 decimal places by 1 to 2 digit whole numbers. Ganon din yun. Pinaikli lang. Okay, so this one is on page 14. Discuss ko lang ng madali yung explanation dito. So, i-shortcut na natin. So, we have here a square. One side measures 4.2 centimeters. Okay, so ang hinahanap dyan ay perimeter. When we say perimeter, it is the distance around the certain figure. For this example, it is the distance around the square. Since alam natin na sa geometry natin, which is by the way sa third quarter natin, pero napasadahan nyo na to sa grade 4, since ang description natin ng square ay all sides are equal, ibig sabihin all of these sides, since ito'y 4.2 cm, ito'y katulad din kasi they are all equal. So, sa formula natin ng perimeter nung lower grades yan ay S plus S plus S plus S. Okay. So, dito sa grade 5, gamit tayo ng multiplication. Wag addition. Very basic kasi, Okay, since sabi natin dito, ang square ay may 4 sides. 4 sides. And, ang ating measurement ng isang side ay 4.2. Okay. So, ito yung isosolve natin. Kahit isa lang given naman natin yung characteristic ng square dito. So, let's solve. So, pag multiply natin ng decimals, it's just like multiplying whole numbers. Sa ating product or sa answer natin, saka natin ilalagay yung decimal point. Okay, isang tip para hindi kayo malito sa pagmumultiply ng decimals, unahin nyo yung number na maraming digits. Kahit ito ay 4 times 4.2, mas maraming digit yung 4.2, dalawa, diba? So, siyang i-aakyat natin. And then, times. Lagay natin sa baba yung 4. Nga pala, diba sa addition, at saka sa subtraction, sabi niya, magkakatapat yung magkakatulad ng places. Okay. Tama yung sa addition and subtraction. Pero dito sa ating multiplication, last digit to last digit tayo, ha? Para hindi kayo malito paglalagay ng mga answers natin. Okay, so we have here 4.2 cm times 4. Okay, then multiply the following. 4 times 2 equals 8. Kung ano yung pinag-times mo, doon mo itatapat yung sagot mo. And then 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, ay may decimal point. How are we going to write that in our product? Okay, simple lang. Bilangan nyo lang yung decimal places. Pag sinabi decimal places, divide yung decimal point. Ang decimal places after the decimal point. Ang bibilangin nyo lang yung may decimal point. Okay, since ito ay 4.2 may decimal point, bilang ka ng isa. Ito lang yung decimal places na. Okay, 1. Itong 4, wala. So, we have only 1 decimal place. Okay, starting from the last digit dito, kayo sa dulo magsisimula, ha? Bilang kayo ng isa, kasi isa lang ang decimal place natin. So, 1. Then, period. And if it is problem solving, huwag kayong makakalimot maglagay ng unit. So, the answer is 16.8 cm. That is how you multiply a decimal by a whole number. Another example in multiplying decimals and whole numbers. Say for example, you have 3 factors. Tatlo ang ipagmumultiply mo. Like this one on page 14, dito sa table natin. Okay, so makikita nyo dito, meron tayong naka-table na activities and then calories per hour per pound. Okay, halimbawa, sagutan natin tong problem na to. Suppose you weigh 85 pounds and walked for 2 hours. How many calories did you burn? Okay, so first off, i-solve muna ilagay muna natin yung number sentence. Okay, you have 85 pounds here. And then, nag-walk ka daw ng 2 hours. Times. Okay, dito magagamit yung table mo. Ito. After mo malagay yung pounds, yung kanyang weight, And then yung hours, times yung third factor natin dyan ay titingnan mo dito sa ating table. Okay, so since ang nakalagay dito ay walked, that means the activity is walking. Okay, so ang walking ay ito. Ikalawa sa ating table, calories per hour per pound is 2.4. No? So, yun ang isusulat nyo. Okay, so meron na tayo ditong tatlong factors. It's time to multiply. Sa multiplication, dalawa lang muna ha, hindi pwedeng lahat. So, first step, ito muna. 85 multiplied by 2. Huwag mo isusulat lahat tong tatlo ng pababa. Sa addition, pwede. Pero since multiplication to, step by step, kung ano yung unang dalawa, yun muna ang multiply. So, 2 times 5 is 10. Carry 1. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. May decimal point ba dito? So, wala. Walang decimal to whole number. So, wala kang ilalagay na decimal point. Next. Saka, yung product nitong dalawa, yun ang imumultiply mo dito sa 2.4. Para madali at hindi kayo mahirapan sa pag-solve, i-direction nyo na. Yan. Lagay nyo na agad dito sa ilalim ng product. Then, solve, multiply. Yan. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 7 equals 28. 8, carry 2. And then 4 times 1 is 1, plus 2 is 6. Next one, yung second layer naman. 2 times 0 is 0. Doon yung itatapat doon sa ating multiplier. Okay, next. 2 times 7 is 14. Carry 1. Then, next one. Okay, mag-alala kung hindi katapat nung Ganun talaga sa multiplication. Hindi nagtatapat, diba? Yun yung basic rule natin. Okay, next. 2 times 1 is 2. May carry 1 tayo kanina dyan. So, 3. Okay. Then, you have to add. Kasi tatlo ito So, i-add natin. Wait, nagalaw siya. Okay. Bring down 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay. So, dito sa ating pinag-multiply, meron na tayong decimal. How many decimal places? Ito si decimal point. Pagkatapos na ay ilan? Isa lang. Okay, so we have only 1 decimal places. Bilang ka dito sa last. 1, and then put the decimal point. Okay, so the answer is 408.0. Okay. Pag nakakita kayo ng decimal point at ng kasunod niya ay 0, you can cancel it. Simply, ang sagot na ay, simplifying the answer, ang sagot ay 408. Okay, ganun ha. Pag nasa likod ng decimal point, ang 0, pwede na nating i-cancel. So, this is the answer for 108 calories. Ang na-burn niya while walking for 2 hours. Okay, so that is how you solve for this one. Ganito yung example natin sa learning task number 1 on page 15. Okay, let's move on. Sagutan natin yung learning task number 1 on page 15. So, ito yon. Okay, katulad nung kaninang sinolve natin, gagamitin nyo yung table. Ito, dito kayo titingin ng calories per hour per pound. Okay. So, sagutan natin yung number 1. So, there you go. We have there the weight. 102 pounds times 3 hours times. Okay tayo dun sa dalawa. Nasa na yung number para sa jumping rope? Titingnan nyo dito sa table. Okay. Siya. Yan, since ang jumping rope ay 3.8, na ito ha, sa page 14, 3.8, ilalagay mo, 3.8. So, you have there 3 factors. Okay, now, katulad ng turo ko kanina, first thing first, you have to solve the first two factors. So, 102 times 3. Okay. Times mo muna. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. So, you have there 306. Sulat ko muna dito ha. Para hindi tayo mabitin sa space mamaya. So, you have there 306. And then, time for it to multiply it by 3.8. Okay. Times. Because sa inyo ha, last digit to last digit para hindi malito. Okay. 8 times 6 equals 48. Carry 4. 8 times 0 is 0 plus 4 is 4. 8 times 3 is 24. Ayan. Okay, next term. 3 times 6 is 18. Carry 1. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 times 3 is equivalent to 9. Ano? Sabi ko nga ha, pag kayo magmumultiply, huwag niyong tapat-tapatin lalo na kung 2 digit yung ating multiplier. Magkakatapat yung bawat multiplier. Unang layer, ikalawang layer, nasa kasunod na. Ha? Maraming nagkakamali sa pagsasagot dahil pinagtatapat-tapat nila lahat. Ganito ang ating arrangement sa multiplication ha. Okay, then add. 8. Then 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Okay, then 2 plus 9 is 11. Hindi mo na kailangan i-carry kasi wala nang kasunod na number. Now, count the decimal places. So, we have only 1. Okay, so 1. 1 decimal point. And this is the answer for number 1. Ulitin ko lang, dito sa una nating minultiply no factors, ay walang decimal point. Bakit? Kasi walang nakalagay na decimal point. Wala kang makikita dyan. Huwag kang maglalagay pag walang decimal point. And then, dun sa kasunod nating pinag-multiply, meron na. So, saka ka lang maglalagay pag may decimal point na. Bilangin lang ang decimal places which is 1. No. Then, put it on your product. So, may sagot na tayo sa learning task number 1 on page 15. Okay, kayo nang bahala sa number 2, 3, and 4. Let's answer learning task number 2, still on page 15. Ano? So, dito naman nakasulat na siya vertically. Yung ating isosolve. Nakalagay dyan, find the product. Okay, let's answer number 1. So, 4 and 2900 times 12. Okay. Ito, diretso solve na kayo. Use your scratch paper, ha? Tapos lagay na lang ang sagot sa ating answer sheet. So, 2 times 9 is 18. Carry 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Then, ito naman kasunod. Ito ang multiplier natin. So, katapat niya. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 4 is 4. Then, add. Bring down 8 dahil walang katapat. 5 plus 9 equals 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Okay, now, since may decimal point ang isa sa mga factors natin, bilang tayo ng decimal places. So, we have, itong decimal point, anong kasunod? Yun ang bibilangin natin, ha? Nasa likod ng decimal point. We have 1, 2, dalawa. Ano? Okay, starting from the last digit, dun sa kahulihan ng sagot nyo, ha? Bilang din kayo ng dalawa. So, 1, 2, decimal point. And this is the answer for number 1. Okay, yan ha. Okay, so that is the answer for learning task 2, number 1. Okay, na uli ang bahala sa 2, 3, 4, and 5. Nga pala, bawal mag-calculator dito ha. You have to solve on your scratch paper.